Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with a whole team. Now I entertain us a call cause I'm hauling. I was waking up getting racks in.
Hey guys, it's Naya here and I'm back with another video. And today we're doing a hygiene tip video. I tried to do this video multiple times for the past months, but girl, we're gonna just do it. We're gonna just do it. Some of the products that some of the hygiene tips.
You ever had a dream that you could
products that I'm going to be talking about, I do not have with me currently, but I will put them up on the screen and try to put everything in the description below. And yeah guys, it's 2024. Let's get into it. All consistency this year, positive energy, focusing on yourself, the woman or the man that you are meant to be. And we got a little puppy. We got a little puppy. I want to tell y'all, I'm not a gynecologist. I'm not a dermatologist. None of that. An esthetician. Not yet. But yeah. So take my advice with a grain of salt. But also, I just want to make these videos to help other young women, get better with their hygiene and start doing like just self-care and just really taking care of their bodies, our temples, and we not trying to be stinky, fishy, walking around and still trying to get a man, still trying to get a husband. Like, no. Wash that vagina. Right, let's talk soap. So my favorite scent right now is just like vanilla. Oh god, I gotta get it, y'all. So the soap I use is from St. Ives. It's oatmeal and shea butter. It kind of smells like vanilla more so. I like anything. I love warm scents. Anything with a warm scent, I'm loving it. Eats down. Also, like as a woman, you want to have a signature scent that you go by, It never breaks me out. I was using Dove for the longest. I do use Dove. I do mix my body washes, but yeah, I always mix my body washes, but I always make sure it has like similar scents so it won't be like the smells don't be like clashing and smell. So body scrubs, I love me Dove polishing scrubs. I love me some of those. I love this scent. It's like I think it's pomegranate, and there's a shea butter one. It's so good. 10 out of 10. Love them. And soap exfoliants, I love that. I love those, but they tend to break me out just a little bit, but they smell super good. It's this
soft
one
soap.
I forget. It's soap. It's called Soap Something, and I love scrubs from that company. You should not ever to put these exfoliants in your vagina or inside and anywhere. If anything, if you're going to, you want to lighten the area down there, okay, you can exfoliate outside. Don't put that inside there because you don't want to be itching and scratching and getting yeast infections because you ain't, do what you had to do. I use exfoliating gloves. I love me some exfoliating gloves. I switch them at least every 3 months. The exfoliating gloves, 10 out of 10 with the exfoliator. That's going to have your skin baby smooth, skin shine. Let's talk about lotion. Okay, so I used baby oil gel for the longest time. I haven't gotten it lately. I think it's mostly because I'm using shea butters and stuff now, so I don't really need that. But I used to like the glossy, glimmery look. So yeah, I would say if you want to look shiny all the time, use that oil. You could also use baby oil, but baby oil is more messy. And I love me some baby lotion from Johnson & Johnson. I love the pink one and the shea butter one. Those are my two favorite ones. They got soft, light scents, but they're very prominent and they smell feminine and beautiful. And just like how babies, they deserve, their skin to stay soft and not to break out. It's the same for us. Like, yeah. Me, I I have eczema and I'm prone to breaking out really fast. So baby lotion and baby oils and stuff like that is really good for me. I don't break out from it. I also use eczema lotion like Aquaphor, but that's only on my days where my skin is super dry, like in the winter, and I have to use it. But I also suggest you guys to put lotion, like when you get out the shower, stuff like that, whatever, and you notice your feet looking a little crusty, dusty, a little bit. All right, put some lotion on your feet and put some socks on and go to sleep with that on. It's like a foot mask for your feet. Yeah, it's like a mask for your feet. So like I suggest y'all do that because my feet are smooth, baby smooth. They never have no cracks in it, no skin peeling coming off. Like, no. Wash rags. So typically I use 2 rags, but I want to test out 3, having 3 washcloths. So one for your vagina, or your one for your private parts, your behind and your vagina, and then a washcloth for your body, and then a washcloth for your face. So typically when I do this, that's like when I'm trying to really get into the nitty gritty. So yeah, typically I only use 2 wash rags, but 3 if you want to be extra clean. I personally don't do that. But yeah, I would say you guys should change your rags at least once a week, or change it every day. I change mine every day. Tooth care. So toothpaste. I used to be insecure about my yellow teeth, and I started looking into different toothpastes, and I found Colgate whitening. So the toothpaste I use is Optic White Advanced Colgate. It lightened my teeth like super fast. Also have a tongue scraper. You can get those from Dollar Tree. You can get them from Rite Aid. You could probably get them from the corner store. You can get them off Amazon, some really good ones. I heard I need to get into like the metal tongue scrapers. The plastic on the other tongue scrapers accumulate like dirt and bacteria. So yeah. And the mouthwash I like to use is either this Crest Pro Health Advanced stuff. Oh my god. Why did she get in my, she's in my hoodie. Wipes. I love me some feminine wipes, you guys. All right, so there's these booty wipes. It's these booty wipes that my mom had bought one time, and ever since then I've been hooked on them. So I don't know how much I got to say in that last part, but yeah, the booty wipes, you giving a girl life, give you a clean feeling and everything. The lighting is weird right now. So the next wipes I like is like face wipes. I forget the ones that I was using. I get all right. So the ones that I get, the face wipes, like to clean your makeup off or just to wipe your face. I use the ones from Dollar Tree, or like the ones that have aloe vera. Those are the ones I normally get like for my makeup wipes and stuff. Like that's cheap. You could go to the Dollar Tree and get you some makeup wipes, clean, wipe your face off. There's no excuse to have crust in your eyes going to school, crust in your butt going to school, crust in your coochie when you going to school, crust in your ball sacks. Like y'all need to wash y'all booty crack. And they also have booty wipes for men too. So like y'all men should not be stinking like that. Ever. And then baby wipes. I use baby wipes as a feminine wipe. I don't really use the feminine wipes that much. I like honey pot wipes for my vagina. But at the same time, sometimes it gives it a like a little weird feeling. I just rather to be safe and use baby wipes. Although you can't flush them. That's the only difference unless you get the flushable ones. So deodorant. So the deodorant I use spray deodorant. I use stick deodorant, and I love the Dove stick deodorant. It's no aluminum. It's aluminum free. I love to use oil perfumes and essential oils. I'll show you my perfumes too. Like show y'all a few of my perfumes that I do have. Hold on. All right. So I came back with some of my perfumes. I was not finna bring y'all my whole collection. But yeah. So like I said, I love warm scents, like very musky. I think it's like sweet but warm. So I got warm vanilla sugar. This scent is gorgeous. This is from Bath and Body Works. This is a fine fragrance mist. Strawberry pound cake. I love this scent. I got so many compliments from this scent. Butterfly. These are all from Bath and Body Works. I actually need to up on some Victoria's Secret and stuff. But like these, I've been getting into the scents. And all of these, I like to mix this one with this one. Smells phenomenal. If I was to do this one, my deodorant would smell fruity as well. You have to really like see what scents go together so you can smell good all day and smelling fresh all day. So some of the lotions I didn't mention earlier is this cocoa butter hand plus body lotion. Super good, guys. Like amazing, absolutely amazing. Smells good. Like I actually want to put some more right now. Golden Eclipse. Smells good. I'm not a huge fan, but it's still a warm scent, and it will help like the vanilla scent be more magnified. And here's what my spray deodorant looks like, y'all. So yeah, I don't use this pear one that much unless it's probably with the warm scents that I will put this with. But yeah, just make sure you match your lotions, your sprays to each other, and you will get a lot more compliments for just smelling good like all day. Also, y'all carry around hand sanitizer. This is my favorite scent from Bath and Body Works. Champagne Toast. I love that smell. So like I'm telling y'all, carry around some hand sanitizer. If you forget to bring like some body spray or something like that, you can have some hand sanitizer, put this on your hands. It will make you smell all around good. And then you waving your hands, you talk with your hands. They're going to smell you. Like, they're going to smell that you smell good, period. Comment down below if y'all want another hygiene tip routine. Give me some tips, period. And yeah, that's it for today. I hope you guys liked this video. I had a great day. I hope you had a great day. And bye. Gotta get that boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that boom, boom, boom.
In the morning,